Hey there and welcome to the channel. So in this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you how you can start an LLC in Texas, or basically anywhere in the United States, and get professional help through the entire process completely free of charge. I'll be explaining briefly what an LLC is, the benefits of starting an LLC, and finally how you can use an amazing platform called Tailor Brands that will help you streamline the entire process to get your LLC set up in Texas completely hassle-free. Now I realize I keep saying Texas, but just to clarify, this does work for any state in the US. So if you'd like to learn more about what LLCs are and how you can start one for yourself, this is the video for you. Also, if at any point during this video you'd like to check out Tailor Brands for yourself, you can find some of my discount links in the description and the pinned comment to help save you a little bit of extra money. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first, if you don't know what an LLC is, let me explain. An LLC is a type of business structure that stands for Limited Liability Company. Forming an LLC is perfect for startups and entrepreneurs, and I always tell people if you want to have your business taken seriously, you need to start an LLC. That's because there's so many benefits that come with having an LLC. First of all, the reason why most LLC owners choose to start one in the first place is because they limit your personal liability. Basically, what that means is if your company gets sued for whatever reason, they can't come after you or your personal assets. So if you make a mistake and something goes wrong and you actually get sued by someone, only the assets that are held within that LLC are actually at stake. And all of your personal assets, such as your home, your car, or anything else that isn't tied into the LLC, will be completely safe. Another reason a lot of entrepreneurs choose to start an LLC is because they allow you to raise outside capital. So if you're looking for outside funding, an LLC is a great option for you. And if you're looking for LLC funding, I'll leave a link in the description below. And of course, LLCs have some amazing tax advantages too, which is another reason so many people choose to start an LLC. That's because an LLC is called a pass-through entity. So unlike other business entities like an S corporation, you actually get double taxed on those. With an LLC, you only get taxed once. Now, there are a lot of other tax benefits that come along with an LLC, but it differs from business to business and state to state, and I'm certainly no expert when it comes to taxes. So when it comes to all this tax stuff, I highly recommend that you talk to an accountant and figure out what works best for you. So now you know what an LLC is and some of the benefits that come along with starting one, but how do you actually start your LLC in the easiest way? Well, doing it yourself will actually require you to go through all of these 8 steps. Step 1, research and choosing a business name. Step 2, choose a registered agent for your LLC. Step 3, file articles of organization. Step 4, create an operating agreement. Step 5 is going to be obtaining necessary permits and licenses. Step 6 is to apply for an EIN number. Step 7 is to open a business bank account. And finally, step 8 is to comply with ongoing requirements for your LLC. Now, the process can be slightly different from state to state, so it is important to check the specific requirements for the state that you plan to register in. But unfortunately, one thing that does stay consistent from each state is the sheer amount of time and effort required to actually go through all of those 8 steps if you choose to do it yourself. So you'll have to do the research for your particular state, gather all the right documents for each of the 8 steps, fill them in and file them properly in the correct places. For most people, it's a super confusing and stressful process that could literally take days to up to months. While you can handle this process yourself, you might also want to consider using an online LLC formation service like Tailor Brands instead, which can guide you through the entire process and make it a lot more streamlined and convenient for you. So for those who aren't familiar with Tailor Brands, it's an amazing online platform that I've been using for years already. That's because they have so many useful tools designed to make starting a business or an LLC from scratch extremely easy, and it's all in one place. They have a logo maker, a website builder, business card printed, merchandising, branding, and many other tools alongside starting your LLC. Literally everything you need to get a full business up and running from complete scratch. And one of the most exciting features, and the one you're probably going to be interested in the most, seeing as you're watching this video, is Tailor Brands' new zero-cost LLC formation service. And yes, you are hearing that correctly. It is completely free to do. Tailor Brands actually has a free plan for their LLC formation service at the moment. Now, I don't know how long this offer is going to last, so if you're thinking about starting your LLC, I would click the link in the description and start as quickly as you can. Because instead of wasting months of your time going through those 8 steps to start your LLC, with Tailor Brands, you can literally have your full LLC set up in 3 super simple steps that will take you less than 5 minutes to complete. Tailor Brands has helped literally thousands of entrepreneurs in the US start their LLCs. They have developed an intuitive and user-friendly interface that guides you through each one of the steps of the formation process, making it easy for anybody to complete all of the required steps in under 5 minutes. So let me hop on the computer here quickly and show you exactly how easy this actually is. So first, go to the description and click the discount link that I provided for you below this video. Then once you're on the website, step 1 is just to choose your state from the drop-down. Step 2, we just need to choose our business name. So just type in the name that you want to have for your LLC and check right there on the website if it's available or not. And the third and final step, you just need to answer a few questions that Tailor Brands is going to ask you about your business. They ask things like what services you're going to be selling, what stage your business is at already, how many employees you may have, and finally your contact details. And that's basically it. Tailor Brands will then start the LLC formation process for you, and their team of experts will guide you through every single step of the way. And you'll be able to have your LLC set up in record time. Now, there are other LLC formation services out there that you could choose, but what really sets Tailor Brands apart for me is that their LLC formation service also comes with a lot of additional benefits that I haven't seen any other platform offer. Some of their packages include access to their logo maker, their business card printed, and all of the other useful tools that they have for you to use for your business, all of which can help you establish a strong brand identity from the get-go. Not only that, but with Tailor Brands, you gain access to their team of experienced professionals who are ready to support you every single step of the way. From answering your questions to providing you personal guidance, their experts ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Tailor Brands also offers additional packages for those who want enhanced services. These packages include features like expedited processing, document delivery, and priority customer support, giving you the peace of mind and saving you even more time. So if you'd like your LLC entirely set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, give Tailor Brands a try and take advantage of their new $0 LLC formation offer by again using the discount link that I provided for you in the description and the pinned comment below this video. But as for this video, guys, that's about it. Now, if you do have any questions about forming your LLC or about using Tailor Brands, drop me a comment below this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more advice and help on starting your businesses and helping you grow them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.